Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who loved to read books. She had a big collection of books in her room, and every night before going to sleep, she would pick one and read it under the covers with a flashlight. She enjoyed reading stories about princesses, dragons, fairies, and adventures. One night, she decided to read a new book that she had never seen before. It was a thick book with a dark cover and a mysterious title. She opened it and started to read. The book was about a magical world where anything was possible, but also very dangerous. There were witches, wizards, monsters, and curses. Lily was fascinated by the book and couldn't stop reading. She read until late at night, and soon she felt very sleepy. She decided to put the book away and go to, but as soon as she closed her eyes, she heard a strange noise. Sleep. It sounded like someone was knocking on her window. She got scared and opened her eyes. She saw a shadowy figure outside her window, holding the book that she had just read. "Hello, Lily," the figure said in a creepy voice. "I'm here to take you to the magical world of the book. You see, this book is not an ordinary book. It's a portal to another dimension. And once you read it, you can never go back to your own world. You belong to me now. Who are you? What do you want from me?" Lily cried. "I'm the author of the book," the figure said. "And I want you to be my prisoner. You see, I'm lonely in this world. I have no friends, no family, no love. So I write books to create my own companions. But they are not enough for me. I need real people to keep me company. And you are the perfect one for me. You are curious, brave, and smart. Just like the characters in my book. But I don't want to be with you," Lily said. "I want to go back to my home, to my parents, to my friends. Please let me go." "Sorry, but you can't," the figure said. "You have read the book, and now you are trapped in it forever. There is no way out." "Please, please, please," Lily begged. "There must be some way to undo this. Can't you just write another book that will send me back? Or erase what you wrote? Or let me choose another book?" "No, no, no," the figure said. "It doesn't work like that. Once you enter the book, you can't leave it. It's a one-way ticket. And I won't let you go anyway. You are mine now." "But why me?" Lily asked. "Why did you choose me? Why did you put this book in my room?" "Because I saw you in your window one day," the figure said. "You looked so happy and content with your books. You had a smile on your face that I never had. You had a light in your eyes that I never saw. You had a life that I never lived. And I wanted it for myself." "That's not fair," Lily said. "You can't just take someone's life away because you are unhappy with yours." "That's life," the figure said. "It's not fair for anyone." Lily felt hopeless and cried harder. She wished she had never read that book. The moral of the story is, be careful what you read, because some books can take you to places you don't want to go.